Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Little Mermaid's outfit on Dress to Impress. I will be just removing everything except for the hair as per usual. For the hair, I used this wavy hair in this color, 91113. No adjustments made. And then I used this wavy hair. It's this one in that same color in the toggle half front with no flowers. Then I grabbed this from the bang section in the same color, positioning it the same, but rotate the exit point 48. For the outfit, it's actually pretty simple and you don't need VIP. Grab these heels and color it this color, 303848, or just black actually. She has like black flat shoes on. Go here and grab this top, color it this bright color, C7E9FF. And then this 303848 in matte. And then the third toggle in just white, fourth and fifth just color it the same dark blue. Grab the skirt and color it this color, 83B7C7, and then that again. And then lastly we just need the bow, which is this one in that color, the brighter color. And I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see the bow a little bit better. I might rotate it a little bit as well here. Like that. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.